No la moleste, Leonardo.
Leonardo. Hey, have you seen the toucan? It's a hibernating duck. Girls, ooh, what the heck? What kind of birds are these?
So this is a black swan right here. Absolutely gorgeous bird. That's a red-crested cardinal. They're invasive. There's a little knoll right there. They're invasive.
I see the
I'd rather pinch her in the arm and tell her to get.
Hens could pinch.
If we went to the cage,
The sloth ain't home, or at least it's not on exhibit. This one is not on exhibit, but here's its enclosure. Just kidding, here they are. See him moving around. Here's a two-toed sloth. Oh yeah, here he comes. Never seen these guys move around or be that active.
Oh my god. That's cool. Oh no, baby brother.
quiet.